You've probably heard things like, save your money or stop buying coffee. But let's be real. Personal finance is way deeper than skipping a latte. If you're in your late teens or 20s and want to avoid being broke, stressed, or living paycheck to paycheck, then this video is for you. I'm giving you the real money tips every young adult needs but nobody teaches in school. If you're just starting your money journey or want to level up your game, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the top personal finance tips for young adults in 2025. Learn to pay yourself first. Before you do anything with your paycheck, before rent, food, or even bills, pay yourself first. That means saving or investing a portion of your income right away. Even if it's just $20 a week, automating this builds the habit of saving, and it's one of the key traits of people who build wealth over time. Build a starter emergency fund. Unexpected stuff happens: a flat tire, a lost job, a medical bill. Having even $500 or $1,000 in a separate savings account can keep your life from spiraling into credit card debt. It's your safety net, and it gives you options when life gets messy. Track every dollar for 30 days. I'm not saying you need to track your spending forever, but do it for 1 month. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or free apps like Mint or Rocket Money. You'll be shocked how much goes to random stuff: food delivery, subscriptions you forgot about, or impulse buys. Awareness is the first step to control. Start investing early, even if it's small. Time is your biggest advantage. Investing $100 in your 20s can be worth thousands more than investing $1,000 in your 30s. You don't need to be a stock market genius, just open a Roth IRA or use apps like Robinhood or Acorns. The earlier you start, the bigger your financial snowball grows. How to start investing in your 20s. Learn the difference between good debt and bad debt. Not all debt is evil. Student loans can be manageable. A mortgage can build equity, but credit card debt and high-interest loans, that's what you want to avoid or pay off fast. If you carry a balance, you're losing money daily. Always understand the interest rate and how long it will take to pay it off. Build credit the right way. Good credit equals lower interest rates, better car insurance, and even affects job offers. Start by getting a starter credit card. Keep your utilization low, under 30%, and pay it in full each month. Don't just use it like a debit card and track it closely. Learn to say no without feeling broke. This one's emotional but important. You don't have to say yes to every dinner out trip or let's split the bill moment. Learning to say no is a power move, not a sign you're broke. Protecting your wallet today gives you more freedom tomorrow. Set financial goals with deadlines. Don't just say, I want to save money. Say, I want to save $1,000 by July 1st. Goals with deadlines create urgency and help you build momentum. Break them down. If your goal is $1,000 in 4 months, that's $250 a month, or about $60 a week. Now it's real. Smart financial goals for young adults. Don't compare your finances to others. Social media is a highlight reel. That vacation car or designer outfit might be paid for with debt. You don't know what's behind the curtain, so focus on your own financial lane. It's not about being the richest, it's about being free. Keep learning about money. Start today. The best investment you can make is in your own financial education. Watch videos like this one. Read books like The Psychology of Money or I Will Teach You to Be Rich, and follow creators who break down finance without judgment. Knowledge is what builds confidence, and confidence builds wealth. If you're young, this is the perfect time to take control of your money. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. These small moves, they add up to big freedom down the road. So pick one tip from this list and take action this week. If you got value from this video, smash that like button. It helps more people find this content. Drop a comment. What's your #1 money goal this year? And of course, subscribe for more personal finance tips that actually work in the real world.